Hello everyone, my name is Miao. Today I'm gonna show you an Anderson fairy tales retrieval system. Overall goal first is using Common Lisp to implement a local text retrieval system, then using fairy tales to verify this system. What I did. Number one is verbal expression. Verbal expression like regular expressions made easy. It has many language implementations, but doesn't include Common Lisp, so I did this job. Number two is Potter stammer. It's an algorithm to removing the commoner morphological and inflectional from English words. Number three is normalizing text. It can removing noise and stop words, and then stemming words. Number four, calculating the IDF weight and cosine similarity. Number five, building, saving, and loading inverted index. Number six is a query interface. It can do and or not operations. High-level description. There's a query flowchart. We query a string. First ask, is the inverted index loaded? If yes, we calculate the cosine similarity between the query and all documents. Give the sorted result. If no, we ask, do we have the saved inverted index file? If yes, we load the file and do the same calculation. If no, we normalize all tails and calculate the TF-IDF weight, build the inverted index hash table, and save it to a file, then do the same calculation. Verbal expression is a class, so we can call make instance to create its object. Here is an example. It's very easy to use. There's only one interface of stammer. It takes a symbol as input parameter. If we input successes, it returns success. Text normalization. First, removing all noise letters, punctuation, digits, and actual spaces. Then removing all stop words. Finally, stemming. There are three interfaces of indexer: building, saving, and loading inverted index. There are a normal query interface and three Boolean query interfaces. Normal query interface can query a string and return the relevant documents sorted by the cosine score. Query AND is the intersection of the two normal query. Query OR is the union of the two normal query. Query NOT is the difference between the full site and the normal query. We can also use this function to implement a mixed query. One interesting thing is that when I try to use the string and list conversion functions to handle the dot list, it actually works. I used to be confused how to handle that dot. Summary. Through this project, I learned a lot. Here are some technicals and experience that I learned from the project. Number one is about string processing. Number two is about the regular expressions. Number three is about the lambda expressions. Number four is the return value of the functions need to be carefully designed. Number five is about file operations. Number 6. Optional parameters and arguments list are very useful in a function. Number 7 is a class can make the code looks more compact. Number 8 is set operations. Okay, thank you.